Hey guys, my name is Dan C. Bearded, and it is an honor to be able to work with Deadman's Beard Co. to create some content for their social media platforms, especially on YouTube. If you guys are watching this, consider subscribing to their channel, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. They give a lot back to this community, and those things they ask for in return are free and don't take much time at all. Now, a question that Deadman's gets and myself on a very regular basis, one of the most searched for beard topics online, you guys can give it a Goog and see for yourself, is what you saw in the title, and it's people specifically asking, hey, how do I make my beard grow faster? Not healthier, not like filling patches. How do I make the growth faster? And I get it, right? We live in the world of short form content. We live in the world of instant gratification. Sometimes it's not necessarily a bad thing, but I will say patience goes a long way with growing a beard. But there is an answer that Deadman's has a solution to, and it's quite simple. It's quite proven. Many of you have experienced it. This isn't even like a big statement. If you would like the hair of your beard to grow faster, the answer is biotin, aka B7. It's a vitamin, and it makes your hair grow faster. Now, I say this all the time, but notice I said your hair grow faster. I did not say your beard hair, because it does include your beard, but it also includes every hair on your body. So, if you're going to take the right amount of biotin and do it the correct way, you're going to have your back hair grow faster, your arm hair grow faster, and you'll first likely notice it with your nails. Your nails are keratin. Your hair is keratin. It's the same thing, and the growth is the same. There's no product on the planet that you take internally that's like, ooh, beard, grow. Rest of it, not. It's just one thing. So if you start to notice the whites on your nails, having to clip them more often, then you know it's really working. But the solution for this company would be the beard growth strips. Now, I've never seen this by another beard product company at all. And it's biotin strips. There's a little bit more in here. There's vitamin D3, there's folate, and then there's biotin. Now, one strip is 5,000 mcgs of biotin. Now, other than this, I've taken capsules, I've taken gummies, I've always had biotin. I get really good growth rate. I have, on average, double the normal growth rate. Normally, you'll grow in half an inch of beard a month. I almost always grow an inch or more a month. Now, I normally do 10,000 mcgs, but that's with the capsules and the gummies. Why is it less with the oral strips for Deadman's? And this is on the inside here. They're individually packaged. Think about like the old school like Listerine mint strips. This is what we have. I love this orange citrus flavor. But the difference is how it absorbs into your system. The oral strip way is more efficient than the gummies and the capsules. You get more out of the amount that's in here. A lot of people would argue and say 5,000 taken orally is actually getting more biotin than 10,000 that is taken with a capsule or a gummy. Now, I'll let you do your own research on that. You can use Google, you can use AI, you can look up peer-reviewed studies, but it's very interesting how those results happen. So it's real easy. I'll actually probably do a little live demo. Hopefully we don't have too much dead air, right? I don't like when there's no talking going on. So all you do is you open this up right here. Then on the inside, I'll kind of show you guys in a second, you have this little oral strip. You just simply put it on your tongue and let it dissolve. Now I'm going to talk real weird until it's gone. Now, normally I am going to let that dissolve a little bit more on my tongue before just kind of swallowing it, but I had to go on with the video. I'm not going to do any editing magic here. And that's all it is. Delicious, no aftertaste. Boom. Now, my advice, I'm not saying this is Deadman's, my advice, Dan C, personally giving you advice. Do not take caffeine an hour before or after your biotin, because oftentimes your body is going to have to decide between those two aspects, and it's going to pick caffeine because it's more aggressive. I take these strips on average right before my last meal of the day, as long as I'm not having caffeine. I like to take them at night. You can look at it different times, but please avoid the caffeine there. So if you want your beard to grow faster, Check out the Beard Growth Strips by Deadman's. Now, it's not going to fill in a patchy beard. It's not going to create new hair. It's not going to create follicles. Do not get that twisted. They're not false advertising. It's going to make the hair grow faster for almost everybody. Down below, you guys, any experience with these? Any experience with biotin in general? What questions do you have? Deadman's would be happy to get back to you guys. Give them a shot today. I love this company.